Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to fix your wooden door when it is out of line. So as you see right now, the door will not shut as I overlapping, and when you go down, you see a little big gap right here. Okay, so normally it would be the door hinges. Either one of them, one of the plate is loose or it's out of line. As you see right now, this one is coming out further to the left side. So if I push the door back, you see, it's like not aligned correctly. And this one is fine, but unfortunately this plate is loose. I'm gonna open the door and go to the other side, and you see the loose plate. So this is a loose plate right here. So it might make your door out of line. You want to make sure all the screws are tight nicely. The hole might be too big now, so if that's the case, then you're going to use like a wooden toothpick, push in there before you put the screw back in again. I'm going to loosen it up and see. So this is pretty short stubby screws. Sometimes you want to use like longer screws so you go into the stud. Okay. Gonna use a longer screw to see. Got this one right here. So I hit the stud already, I can tell. Because these are PDF, so it tend to loosen up, or it doesn't hold it tight. See how it's not wobbly no more? So you need longer screws.
Oh, you turn on the light?
Yeah, why?
I was saying, why?
Try to fix this. There you go. Wow, very strong. Let's go and check out the door. As you can see, the hinges looks kind of out of line. It's not perfect, so I might have used like a crescent wrench to adjust it. Let's see if it's gonna close right. It's much better. As you can see, still out of line. That means we need to take out this pin, the door pin right here, punch it outward. We need to use a C-clamp to adjust those hinges and align correctly. Not sure if I need to do it on this side, but we'll see. We did use a hammer, and lucky I got this parts from either one of the scanner or the printer. So I use this to punch the hole right there. Okay, So now the pin is coming out. Now I can remove the pin now, okay? And you don't want the pin to be in there. You don't want the pin to be in there while you try to adjust these hinges and align correctly. So we need to point it to the door, to the door jamb, because now the door is hanging toward the other side of the door. So that's why it's hitting against it. It's much better now. It's not overlapping, but you can still hear the wood hitting the other side of the door. So I'm going to do that. And then make sure you have a good grip. So yeah, it's kind of, you're supposed to yank it from this side, but there's no more room. Hopefully I don't need to take out the whole door. Maybe I need to take out the whole door and then do it correctly. I'm gonna check on the bottom here. I think the bottom is fine, but I might have to remove this. Well, that bar is too long. I might use like a screwdriver or a nail to punch it out. So I use a credit card to shimmer it here. So this will create a gap. I'll try to align correctly. And now, actually the door hinges, we gotta hit it toward the wall. So this one, and then this one. So I insert the pin from the top, and then I hit this slowly until the pin goes down, and then until this second one, and then the third one. And then maybe hit it here too. So now the pin can go in. So now we can take out the credit card shim. Oops. Let's test it out. That's much better than overlapping anyway. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Always peace.